Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life, where I share my everyday life as a gypsy housewife. The other day on my community tab, I had asked y'all if any of you would be interested in purchasing some of our Gypsy Pudding. This is a gypsy Christmas tradition of ours, and I thought it would be a wonderful idea to share it with you. When I had mentioned it on my community tab, I really didn't give much detail of what it even is, only because it was just an idea in the beginning, and I didn't know if anyone would even be interested in it or not. So I took my camera along with me over to my mom and dad's and filmed some of the making of the Gypsy Pudding. I thought you would all like to see it so you could get an idea of what it's like. If you're interested in purchasing some of the Gypsy Pudding, please check out the description down below. I'm going to provide some information so that you can contact me for more information on pricing and such. And also, if you do make a purchase, there will be an ingredient list included, as well as some history shared from my father about the puddings. So make sure and check out the description section down below so you'll know how to contact me to put an order in for availability and for pricing. And later in the video, I'm going to share with you my Thanksgiving grocery haul as well as my Thanksgiving day.
So near, I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
All right, so I figured I would go ahead and add this in really quick. This is gonna be my Thanksgiving grocery haul. This is probably the cheapest meal I've ever purchased for Thanksgiving, and I think it's because I didn't get a turkey this year, which I will tell you about in a minute, but this is just a quick overview, and then I'm gonna show you everything piece by piece. Okay, so I'm doing chicken this year instead of turkey, mainly because, to be honest, even though I like turkey, I don't like it at the same time, and I really was not looking forward to having a turkey on Thanksgiving. I know it's traditional, but you know what? Sometimes it's okay to be different. So I got this chicken. It was only $8.52, so I think that's why this meal was super cheap, was because I didn't get a big $20 turkey. Well, normally I don't get that big anyway, but still, this was small and cheap. So we're gonna be having chicken. I got a bag of potatoes. We're gonna be making mashed potatoes with turkey gravy. We actually tried this a while back, mashed potatoes with turkey gravy, and it was absolutely delicious, so we're having that again. Next up, you know, we're having Mama Daisy's salad. So we got a head of lettuce, 2 Roma tomatoes, some green bell pepper, a red onion, and a white onion. I'm thinking I'm gonna put this in the salad, and then this is gonna be for the stuffing. Also got some celery for the stuffing, got some oil and vinegar for the salad, got this bread for the stuffing, and I'm actually going to dry it out in my air fryer. We did this about a month ago, and it worked out perfectly, so we're gonna be doing that for the stuffing. I got some butter just to have some extra, some chicken broth for the stuffing, got some Italian seasons because I was running out, got a can of cranberry sauce, got a pan, which I feel funny about. It was only $1 something, so that's why I grabbed it, but I really didn't need something that big, but it's okay. I'm also gonna be cooking this in a turkey bag, just like I do my turkey. And then I picked up a thing of paper towels because I didn't have any. So now I'm gonna tell you how much my simple Thanksgiving dinner cost. We went to H-E-B, by the way, and now I'm gonna tell you the price. Now, mind you, this is a meal for 2, and it's not a big meal because we didn't wanna be left with tons of food left over that we might not eat and just get thrown away. So it's a small meal, yes. But anyway, so the total was $35.61. With taxes, it ended up being $35.87. I saved 83 cents because I bought H-E-B brand stuff. I also had a coupon. Oh yeah, 75 cents. I did get 75 cents off of my paper towels. So my Thanksgiving meal cost $35.87 with tax. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, meal for two. Probably ain't gonna be a lot of leftovers, and if there is, I'll be making some chicken salad. I'm gonna end this grocery haul now. So I didn't record a lot of my Thanksgiving prepping or cooking, only because I've filmed that for the last couple years and I didn't know if y'all would be interested in seeing that again. So if you are interested, I will have some links down below of all of that stuff from the other years. Basically, the night before, I get everything chopped up and ready. That way the next morning, it'll be easy to throw together and it won't be that much work. So the food I had just showed you was from the night before Thanksgiving when I was getting it all ready. And now it's Thanksgiving morning. I'm up and cleaning, getting my apartment ready for Thanksgiving dinner, and then I'm gonna start cooking.
And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
What are you making there, Alan?
It's a Mama Daisy salad.
Mama Daisy salad? Cookie, you're not getting Thanksgiving dinner. You better get down. You better get down, Cookie. You're gonna get in trouble. Yeah, you better hide. Yup. Get down, Cookie. Happy Thanksgiving, Kiki. All right, turkey gravy's done.
Salad's
Mashed
huge.
potatoes done. What'd you say?
Salad's huge.
Ooh,
How are we gonna mix this?
this looks beautiful. All of the food turned out absolutely delicious. Alan made the best salad ever. The chicken turned out perfect. Mashed potatoes and gravy was on point. Everything was just so good and I enjoyed every second of it.
Yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne. Let's go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as
It was gloomy and raining all day, so we had a pretty lazy day, which is expected on Thanksgiving. But anyway, so this is later in the day now. I'm taking off my makeup, gonna wash my face, put on a movie, and relax for the rest of the night. I hope you all had a blessed and happy Thanksgiving. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to check out the description down below. Like I said, if you're interested in purchasing some of the Gypsy Pudding, please reach out to me. If you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't and you enjoy my content, and leave me some comments down below because as always, I would love to hear from you. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas